Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're keeping well on this lovely day. I have an envelope here. I've done all the hard work for you, but this is from Bruno, who lives in Zagreb in Croatia. And Bruno has a website on Etsy where he sells 3D printed items. And I saw one of Bruno's items on or in a Facebook group. I liked it, messaged Bruno, and he recognised me from making videos, and he directed me to his site where I bought an item, and Bruno has very kindly put in a couple of extra items for me. So Bruno, thank you very much for your kindness. As I say, I've done all the hard work, so we can put this aside and I can show you the items. So these are from Superior Cuts, which is Bruno's site. And these were the items I purchased. I thought these were really clever. They are made to fit inside a cabinet, but I have a very slimline cabinet and I'm not sure that these will fit. We will be investigating later, but they are very clever razor holders, and your razor fits in just like that, and you can see with my Outlaw Evolution titanium razor that works absolutely fantastically. Very clever. I wasn't sure about buying these, to be honest, because I wasn't sure what the finish would be like on something that is printed, 3D printed, but the finish on this is very nice. It's got sort of a very light crisscross pattern that really only shows up when you catch the light. Perhaps you can see it on the back there, but it is very nice indeed. And rather cleverly, it's got a little cap here, two caps, so that if you have some of those shelf supports inside your cabinet going unused, you can put it through there and that will hold this perfectly strongly in place. If you haven't got your shelf support, it's got this on the back, and this will peel off and it will stick to whatever you want to stick it to. So there we are. And that is really great. I'm very pleased with that. I went for black rather than the usual white. I don't know what made me pick black rather than white, but I'm glad I did. I kinda like the black. So when the shaving den is all ready to go, and I have a gentleman coming on the 10th of next month, then they will be in there somewhere. And I've just realised, look, I bought those. Now Bruno has put in one of these. Now this is for a brush. I'd forgotten about these. Now that looks good, doesn't it? I should have bought a brush in, but imagine that fits many brushes absolutely perfectly. And that is a really neat idea. All the same height at the back. And the brush holder is a little longer and holds 3 brushes. They are great, really good. Now I've also been given by Bruno, and on the label it says this product is 100% made with love, superior cuts. So we have one of these. This will fit in my cabinet, and it's a razor blade holder, and there is room on this. If I show you the back, space for your new razor blades and space for your used razor blades. So there we are there. The bottom is sloped on this one, so the blades will come out there and you'll be able to see them. And then there's a slot at the top, just pop in your used razor blades. I think this is really clever, guys. I might put a little bit of silicone on there just to aid it sliding in and out, but that's very nice, very good idea. I'm quite impressed actually with the finish on this 3D printed plastic. On some areas, like on the front here, it's got like a dappled, speckled finish. For want of a better word, I don't think I can show it to you. It's the camera won't pick it up, but it's very nicely finished. Very nice, much better than I imagined. So I'm super pleased. And then the final item, very nicely boxed up for me. Follow the attached instructions. So this is, oh there we go, that's nice. Little thank you card, very nice. This is a razor, guys, a 3D printed razor with a little stand which says on there, made in Croatia on the one side and superior cuts on the other. And this holds a clear razor handle and there are 3 heads with different settings. Let me get into this. Cool, this is well taped. So the bottom plate is mild and it has a 0.4 blade gap. Then the medium plate is 0.6. And the most efficient guard is a 0.8 blade gap, so got varying levels of aggression there. Excuse me while I'm trying to deal with this tape. So here we are, that's clever that they all fit together. There we are, let's just screw this together now. Now obviously it is a type of plastic, going to have to be very gentle screwing the handle on. What's nice is it's got a long thread, so that is going to be very tight and nicely supported, and there is a 3D printed razor with a closed comb on one side and a sort of half and half comb on the other side there. Very light, as one would imagine. And I will look forward to giving this a try on the channel. It won't be the next video, that will be straight razor shave, but the video after that I will be pleased to give this razor a try and I'll let you know what I think of it. The only thing I've got like it really is my wartime Bakelite Gillette razor. I think that's the only thing I've got that's vaguely like this. Yeah, that'll be really interesting. So that is Superior Cuts on Etsy. I will put the link in the description. Thank you for watching, guys. Bruno, thank you very much for including those extra items for me. They all look fabulous and I'm really looking forward to getting the den completely redecorated and finished and finding a place for those bits and pieces there, especially the brush holder and the razor holder. I think that's really clever, guys. Very nice indeed. That's it from me. You take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon for a shave. Bye bye.